Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will show how to make chicken over rice. Marinate the chicken at room temperature while you prep rice and sauce. Sear on high heat to lock juices, then finish in the oven or covered pan until internal temperature reaches safe doneness. Fluff rice with a fork and assemble bowls with chicken, rice, salad, and sauce for a satisfying single-dish meal everyone will enjoy. Trim and score the chicken for even cooking, then coat thoroughly with a yogurt, lemon, garlic, paprika, salt, and pepper marinade. Let it rest at least 30 minutes to tenderize and infuse flavor. Heat a skillet until very hot, sear each side until golden brown, and finish in the oven or a covered pan until cooked through. Rest briefly before slicing so juices redistribute and the meat stays juicy. If this video helped, please subscribe and like so I can keep sharing easy meals. Quick recommendation: the Kindle Paperwhite is great for reading recipes in the kitchen without worrying about spills, and it stores dozens of cookbooks in one slim device. It's lightweight and has adjustable light for any counter lighting. Check the description for the link and other deals, and now let's get back to the video. Rinse long-grain rice until the water runs clear to prevent gummy texture. Then cook it in chicken stock with a pinch of turmeric and salt for aroma and color. While rice simmers, whisk a creamy garlic sauce using yogurt, lemon juice, minced garlic, and a drizzle of olive oil for smoothness. Adjust seasoning and consistency with a little water or oil, then keep warm until assembly so everything is ready at once.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.